In 1975, the government enacted the creation of the Waitangi Tribunal to hear Māori claims of breaches of the Treaty of Waitangi. This was a practical way to appease Māori dissent, which for over a century, and helped by the Māori protest movement, had gradually swayed mainstream New Zealand and finally reached a critical threshold. Mainstream voters were ready to back change for Māori, so before the push to remedy Māori grievances became too strong, the bill to reconcile Māori grievances was enacted with the help of our respected whanaunga Matiu Rata, who was instrumental in the final legislation process. Although the rationale for the tribunal's creation is arguable, the gesture has generally been accepted by Māori as a practical way for us to redress past wrongs in our partnership with the Crown. The tribunal has a process for hearing Māori claims and creating official findings reports. Well-founded claims have resulted in recommendations of redress being made to the Crown on the behalf of claimants. Generally, the tribunal has no authority to enforce these recommendations, although there are some exceptions. Recommendations often have led to a negotiation and settlement for breaches of the treaty. A treaty settlement is an agreement between the Crown and a claimant group to settle all of that group's historical claims against the Crown. Claimant groups are usually iwi or large hapu that have a long-standing association with a particular area. Some very specific claims may result in agreements with groups smaller than this. Some claimants chose to sidestep the tribunal altogether in order to avoid the sometimes lengthy time delays the tribunal takes to make its final reports, as well as the legal fees incurred in prosecuting claims, which are deducted from any final settlement deal. The prime motive of these groups has been to springboard into a more positive economic position for their people. For them, it was the fastest route to financial redress. Forfeited in fast-tracking to this point, however, is the opportunity to openly air claims to the tribunal and have an official report compiled which can be used to both support a group's claims in negotiation and as a body of evidence to support any future legal proceedings. According to some, allocating the extra resources to properly prosecute claims further strengthens the data and depth of knowledge of specifics that should be defined within a settlement package. In other words, by properly processing Waitangi Tribunal claims, dispersed claimant groups may come to a better understanding of what exactly should be returned as redress. Another more emotive reason to undergo tribunal hearings that is highly important for many is the hearings process allows us the opportunity to retell our history and our important stories 100% accurately. This is often history which mainstream New Zealand has either previously ignored or more often simply has never heard. Given the opportunity, our often incredible stories may be recorded forever by a Crown-endorsed source, giving legitimacy and authenticity to our true Māori history. The tribunal has struggled with the sheer bulk of submissions, and due to the mammoth task and inherent funding issues, eventually settled on a system of addressing iwi regions one at a time. A time cap was introduced by the Crown, after which point no further historical claims could be introduced, only current or future claims. We, as Ngāpuhi, represent the last Māori iwi to air our claims with the tribunal. We are the largest iwi and have multiple claimant teams forwarding claims covering and involving different regions within Ngāpuhi. We were the first to deal with the Crown when it was they arrived in our waters. We instigated New Zealand's founding documents within Aotearoa, and we have waited generations to rectify grievances which we have with the Crown. Grievances which we have examined and recorded in great detail. Despite controversy throughout the history of our treaty partnership, we have finally arrived at a place where we as Ngāpuhi may negotiate a settlement for transgressions by the Crown which we have endured. The next short video will cover the main concerns that have troubled some of our people within this process.